Today, we're focusing on Max Hold Sport. This is one of our favorite prep products. It forms a solid foundation for almost any install because it creates an immediate hold. Once it's applied, your client will be ready to bounce right back into everyday life and exercise without having to wait on adhesive dry time. Functioning as an adhesive booster, it's great because it can improve the performance of any of our tapes and liquid adhesives. This product also helps the adhesive stick to oily, sweaty, or dry skin that can be difficult to achieve a long-lasting hold with. To make the most of your Max Hold Sport, we recommend this quick application process. Clean your client's scalp with a quick wipe of 99% alcohol. Once the alcohol's dried, apply Max Hold Sport and wait until it's no longer tacky. Then, simply apply adhesive over the area and secure the unit into place. Max Hold Sport is perfect for an active lifestyle because clients can go directly to the gym or swimming pool right after their hair system is applied without having to wait 24 hours. Find Walker's Max Hold Sport at the best price by visiting walkertapeco.com. Become a wholesale customer today.